Today I'm going to teach exercise number 2.6 differentiation. Question number 1 part 5. F of x is equal to natural log of e of x plus e of minus x. Find out f dash of x. It means we want to find the derivative of f of x, which is f dash of x. So question is f of x is equal to natural log of e of x plus e of minus x. Here variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate d by dx f of x d by dx natural log of e of x plus e of minus x. So as we know that derivative of natural log of x is always 1 by x. So derivative of natural log, we consider this whole term as x. So natural log of x is 1 by x. It means 1 by this whole term plus e of minus x. Natural log of x, this x is not simple. So again we will differentiate. Differentiate of what? E of x plus e of minus x. 1 by e of x plus e of minus x. Now we can see that derivative of e of x is always e of x. So derivative of x is e of x plus derivative of e of x is e of minus x is e of minus x, but this is not simple x, this is minus x. So again we will differentiate minus x. If we differentiate minus x, it means derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So derivative of minus x with respect to x is minus 1. So what we write? Next, minus 1. Why we write? Because this is not simple x, this is minus x, not positive x, minus x. So again we will differentiate minus x. When we will differentiate x with respect to x, it means what we get? 1. But here differentiate minus x with respect to x is minus 1. Now e of x minus plus minus e of minus x. E of x plus e of minus x. Now further we simplify. E of x minus e of minus x, it means when we take this in the denominator, minus x become positive x. Similarly, e of x plus 1 by e of minus x. Now we will take LCM. E of x divided by 1, what we get? E of x, and if e of x is multiplied by e of x becomes e of 2x minus e of x divided by e of x is 1. What we get? 1 is multiplied by 1 divided by, similarly e of x and e of x divided by 1, e of x and e of x is multiplied, e of x, e of 2x plus e of x is divided by e of x. What we get? 1 is multiplied by numerator 1, which is equal to this e of x, this e of x cancel, e of 2x minus 1 divided by e of 2x plus 1. So and derivative of f of x is f dash of x. F dash of x, f dash of x. It means derivative of natural log of e of x plus e of minus x is equal to e of 2x minus 1 divided by e of 2x plus 1, which is our required solution.